everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you are doing good. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys the making of this beautiful floor lamp. You can call it as a palm tree lamp or a feather lamp. I can say one thing guys, it's an easy project to do, but you definitely need patience to do this project because it takes time to make these feathers or leaves. That's it. You'll be needing basic materials like yarn to make these feathers or leaves and an empty plastic bottle, and you'll be needing a stem as a support for this lampshade and cement. That's it guys. So let's get started. So first, to make the feathers or leaves, you'll be needing a wire like this, and the length of the wire should be around 12 to 13 inches. Cut it according to the length and then start covering the wire with masking tape. So now to make feathers or leaves, you'll be needing a woolen yarn like this. I'm using white color. Just wrap it around a cardboard. Make around 40 to 50 rounds and then remove it. Now cut it on both the sides and you'll be getting strings of equal length. If you want the length of the string is approximately 7.5 inches. Now take the wire and start forming the knots. I have taken 2 strings at a time and just I am placing a simple knot. So there are various other patterns to form the knots, but I feel that this knot is very easy to make. So this is simple, right? You need to follow the same step till the end. So after making few knots, move them close to each other and give them a tight pull to secure the knots. So again you need to continue the same process. So now move them close and hold the thread with both the hands and give it a tight pull to secure the knots. As I told you in the beginning guys, this is easy, but you just need to be patient to make these feathers or leaves. So I took my own time and I did 12 feathers in 2 days. So basically you'll be needing 12 feathers for this project. If you want to do more, you can do more. So now on the other end, just cut off the extra wire and make a loop and press it tightly. So now start combing the yarn to make it more fluffier and to give a realistic look. So once you are done with the combing part, cut it to give it a proper shape. So guys, you can see here, right? It's so realistic and it's looking like a real feather. So now here I made 12 feathers like this, And now take an empty soft drink bottle and cut it into half. And we'll be using this portion and remove the cap. And start painting it with white acrylic paint. So now start drawing 12 lines on it. So let me show you the closer look. And these are our lines, 12 lines. And then mark points on each line. So mark points on the lines. If you are marking one point on the top for one line, for the other line you will be marking point on the bottom part. And then hit a needle and make holes on sides of each line. And I will be using these zip ties to attach feathers to this bottle like this. So now start inserting the zip ties into the holes. And one thing guys, you just need to go half of the way and don't fasten the zip ties. Later we'll be inserting the feathers and then we'll be fastening the zip ties. See, like this. Now insert the feather into this and then tightly fasten the zip ties. So you need to follow the same process for all the feathers. I'll be showing you one more time. So here you can see guys how messy it is. So no worries. Now let's start giving a proper shape to each feather or leaf. As we made this with wire, it is easy to bend and give it a proper shape. So once you're done with the basic structure, now start bending the feathers up and down just like this. So now let's start making the base for the lamp. For this I am using this plastic planter. Start filling it with the cement mixture. Here I am using white cement. Just tap it to remove any air bubbles. So now we will be needing a dry stem like this. This gives a realistic look as it looks like a tree. So now you can cut the cardboard according to the size of the planter and make a hole in the center and fix it using masking tape. Now we insert the stem into the cement and let it dry. I left it for one day to dry completely. Then once it gets dried off, just start removing the masking tape and the cardboard. So now you can see here the stem is properly fixed in the cement and it's dried off completely. So now we'll be needing a bulb holder, as we need to fix this to the stem, and as it doesn't go through the plastic cup, just start removing the holder part. Later we'll be fixing it again. So now the wire is separated. Now start fixing it to the stem. Leave enough amount of wire on the top and fix it using tape. So guys, you can see here, as I am doing this for the first time, I don't know, I had left very small wire on the top, and later it became very difficult to install the holder again. So guys, when you are doing this, just leave enough amount of wire on the top and then start winding it on the stem. So when you reach the bottom part, again secure it with tape. So now it's time to insert the top. Just pass the wires into the plastic cup. And then secure it again with the tape. Secure it tightly, not to move. But still you can see here guys, still it is moving. To make it stiff, I am using this aluminum foil to fill the gap between and to make it stiff. So here you can see. Now fix the holder to these wires. You can see here it's really tough for me to fix this holder as I left very small wires. So guys, when you are doing this, just leave enough amount of wire. So here you can see I'm applying white glue on the rest of the portion and covering it with feathers. Here I am using small feathers to cover the gaps. So now you can see here the wire and the tape are looking odd. To cover them, I am applying gold metallic spray paint. So this is how it looks after applying the spray paint. So now I am using these pine cones to decorate the tree. I am sticking them using hot glue. And finally here comes the bird on the top of the pine cone. It's looking cute, right? So now we are left with the bottom part of the wire, which is looking odd. So I started covering it with white twine. So now this is looking perfect. So now let's insert the bulb. Wow. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this project along with me. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.